How to create a new account in Bank of America. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create and log in into a new account of Bank of America. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open Bank of America's application, and as you can see, this will be the first screen you will see, which is the login page. If you do not have an account, simply click on New User, set up your account. Then after, what you need to do is, you need to provide all your important details: name, last name, mobile number, email, and your bank account detail, which will be provided from the bank itself. And by providing all those details and verifying your account through your phone number or email, you will be able to create a new account in Bank of America application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.